Nga pjasoba piki perlo ke bisnat ban payak ke video ha ke channel. Lionel Messi unsa ane bat ke klub PSG. Ha ka Aiom ke bansawan na kum takalawai. Ha ke jingil kai football ha ke jingim jong Ong Spanish Journalish Guillem Balague lingba ka BBC Sport. Te menta parlo tungnya payak ke jingkran jong Guillem Balague lingba ka ne ka BBC Sport.
Leon says, listen, you have to sign today for whatever reason. You have to sign today this 1+1. Leo Messi will sign to stay at PSG. But he's saying to his entourage, to PSG, I don't want to think about it. Let's do it after the World Cup. Then MLS, they are also ready for him. I think his dad has been in Miami many times, has met people at the club, and the intention is that he goes to Inter Miami. But I think Sergio Busquets, who's at Barcelona, will get there next season. And I don't think Leo Messi is ready to actually abandon the elite, as I said earlier. In the case of Barcelona, let's see if they really want it. It's just words that we're hearing. There's been no commercial activities regarding to it. There's been no plan, no sporting plan either. We know that Xavi is the engine of this and wants him back at the club, but there's been no offer, no conversations. In fact, Laporta, the president of Barcelona, had not spoken to Jorge Messi, have not spoken to Leo Messi since that press conference that you mentioned earlier. So there is nothing.